Setting up an authentication and authorization infrastructure for a research collaboration is a complex process. Before you get started, it might help to take a look at some previous examples. Examples of how others tried out certain technical solutions, what policies supported their data protection, membership management, and operational security, and what training and documentation they used. Various research collaborations tested the AARC project policies and its blueprint architecture. Their stories have been documented in AARC in Action. This collection of examples gives you the chance to learn from their experiences. Experiences from earth sciences and life sciences, astronomy and high-energy physics, and arts and humanities. Compare your requirements with theirs and find what works for your collaboration. AARC in Action provides information to set you in the right direction. So, if your research collaboration is looking for an AAI solution, start with AARC.